welcome to Zinnat Kitchen. I hope and pray that you are all well and safe. And today is not about cooking. Today is the 27th of March. I just want to share something with you. Today is exactly 2 years since I have done my YouTube channel. And I am very surprised that it's been a success. And all this success is due to you. That's why I want to share this happiness with you. And if it was not for all your support, I wouldn't be here. I have already hit 2,800 subscribers. So please guys, keep on subscribing, keep on sharing with all your family and friends and relatives. And please hit the like button and also hit the bell button. And if you're watching me for the first time, please go and subscribe so you don't miss any of my recipes. If you want any easy and quick recipe, you are in the right place. And also I want to tell you, please just follow me on Instagram at Zinnat Kitchen. And in that 2 years, it hasn't been an easy work. It is a bit difficult to do YouTube. It's not easy to be in front of the camera, to speak. It is not easy. If you watch my first video, you will see I did not speak at all and I did not show my face at all. With time, I am trying to get used to it, but still there is a lot of improvement that I think I should do. So that's why I'm expecting your feedback. I like to read all your comments, and it's a pleasure for me to just realize that most of my audience, most of my viewers are in my beautiful country, Mauritius. I have 60% of my viewers from Mauritius. I am very pleased to hear that, to see that. And also, I am so happy to hear from you. And I have, if you notice, I'm doing most of my videos in Creole now, because most of the people is requesting me to do it in Creole. And also, most of my recipes are Mauritian cooking. And also, I know in Mauritius people speak all different languages, but some viewers maybe find it difficult. So I try to accommodate everyone. I do my best. At the same time, I'm learning, okay? I did this video for my daughter. So wherever I am on this world, whether I am up there or down here, she will make use of it. But I am surprised most of the youngsters are using it now. They are very happy with it. They find it very simple. They find it quick and easy to do. And also it has helped my daughter as well a lot. And what I want to tell you is I want to thank you deep down the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. Keep on doing so. I also have a question. Somebody asked me a very, very important question. Someone says to me, why do you say Mauritian curry powder? What differentiates that it is Mauritian curry powder? I think that someone maybe is not from Mauritius or could be from Mauritius, but new generation, because lots of spices, what they use, we don't use in Mauritius. Like I would say during my time, I'm not talking about now, maybe now things has changed. During my time, there was no star aniseed, there was no javitri, which is mace, there was no kasuri methi, and our garam masala is totally different to other parts of the world. Our biryani masala also, there is a big difference. If we use the Shan biryani spices and our own spices, they are two different things. I'm not criticizing any spices. I love Shan, and also, I have a lot of family in South Africa. Their curry powder and our curry powder are two different things. Even the taste and the color are different. So I know most of Mauritian people don't use strong spices. So that's why I have to mention Mauritian curry powder, because there is a big difference in taste with our spices and other people's spices. But I have traveled so many places, maybe that is why I'm used to all type of spices. I have used Sri Lankan curry powder, South African curry powder, and Malaysian curry powder. They are all different types. Even Singapore curry powder is different to ours. So that is the reason I say that. I hope I have answered the question. I can't remember the name of that viewers, but I hope he is listening. And what I want to say again is I have a lot of people watching my videos in different places of the world, but mostly it's in, I have to write it down on this paper, guys. All days is catching up here with me. and most of the people watching me is Mauritius. I have in UK as well, France, Canada, Australia, and Reunion Island, India, Italy, Zimbabwe, Denmark, so many places. I am so happy that people is watching me almost everywhere, but mostly my own people in Mauritius, which I am very pleased. I am very happy for that. Please keep on doing so. Please, you can keep on sending your requests. I highly appreciate all your comments, and I am very happy to share my knowledge and experience with all of you guys. Whatever I know, whatever little I know, I am so happy to share it with you. And I am on top of the world to know that you appreciate my recipes and you are using it. Please keep on doing so. Let's make the channel grow. Thank you very much for all your hard work as well. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.